Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we explore the incredible world of industrial technology. Today, we are taking you inside a futuristic chicken megafactory where biology meets cutting-edge robotics to revolutionize food production. It all begins here, with the arrival of thousands of premium chicken eggs, each gently unloaded and sorted by high-speed pneumatic robotic arms. Before incubation starts, advanced eye vision systems scan every shell for microscopic defects, ensuring only the highest quality eggs enter the setters. Inside the massive incubator halls, smart sensors monitor temperature and humidity with surgical precision to create the perfect environment for embryonic development. This seamless blend of automation and care guarantees the highest hatch rates imaginable.
An automated system prints a unique QR code directly onto the shell of each egg, allowing for complete traceability from incubation to hatching. Environmental sensors automatically regulate the room's temperature and humidity, gradually bringing the eggs to the ideal pre-incubation temperature.
Inside the incubator, a hydraulic or electric mechanism slowly and gently Sensors constantly measure CO2 levels, and the system automatically adjusts airflow to provide adequate oxygen.
A sophisticated ventilation system with HEPA filters ensures a constant supply of fresh, sterile air to the developing chicken eggs.
Central control, this is unit 4. Temperature is holding steady at 28.5, humidity at 60, airflow is optimal, the chicks are doing well.
The automated water line system lifting itself by a few centimeters. This process is performed automatically every few
Once hatched, the journey continues in these smart broiler houses, where artificial intelligence monitors the flock's health and comfort 24/7. Automated rovers patrol the floors to analyze behavior, while climate control systems instantly adjust airflow and heating to match the exact needs of the growing chickens. From automated feeding lines to gentle robotic harvesting, every step is scientifically designed to minimize stress for the birds and maximize efficiency. This facility truly demonstrates how data and robotics are transforming modern agriculture on a massive scale.
We have a temperature spike in broiler house 7. Initiate cooling sequence immediately.
For example, using a blue-tinted light during certain periods has been shown to have a calming effect on the broiler chicken.
Using a blue-tinted light during certain periods has been shown to have a calming effect on the broiler chickens, reducing pecking and improving welfare.
Utilizing an anaerobic digester, we transform manure and organic waste into biogas.
If you enjoyed this deep dive into industrial automation, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing factory tours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.